Yes, today's date is 20 11 2020. 2020. So 20 is today's date, and number 11 tells us we are in which month? We are in November. November. November.
November. No.
Ojasvi, kindly mute yourself now. And 2020 is the year. So 20th November 2020. And today is Friday.
Ma'am,
Today, yes.
ma'am,
Hmm.
your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Is it so? Just a moment. Yes, is this clear now? Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself now. So today is Friday. 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 Okay. So let's see the virtue of the week. So we saw about honesty, isn't it, in our previous class? And today we'll see a new topic in our character education. And before that, why character is important, children? Why character is important? It is important because character is who we are and how we act. How we act towards others, the actions which we are doing. Everyone, I know, everybody around us, they will notice us. They will see us, they will observe us, and and then only they will decide us, oh, what kind of a person we are. So the behavior is very, very, very important. So that is our character. Showing our anger and not respecting others. These are all not good, right? If we meet a person like that, do we have a good friendship with them? No, isn't it? We will say, oh, அவங்களுக்கு மரியாதையே கொடுக்க தெரியாது. They are not respecting. They are always angry. We will say, right? Likewise, others will also say about us. So character is very, very important. So it is about being caring, respectful, trustful, fair, being honest, being kind towards others. No, all these are our characters. So people around us will always notice us. They will always notice our everyday actions and they will decide our character. So it is very, very important. Character is very important in life. Forgiving, forgetting, all are very important characters. So this week, the character trait for the week, patience. We are going to learn about patience. What is patience, children? What is patience? Any idea about patience? Being patient. Yes, being patient. Any idea? Wait. Very good. Very good. Very good. We have to wait. We should not rush up. We should not get angry for each and everything. We should always stay calm. We should be silent. Very good. We should wait first of all. We should be a very good listener. So what others are telling, we should always listen to it first. Yes, that is called patience. So the ability to wait, or to continue doing something despite challenges. So whatever the work we do, we have all the challenges, yes? So we have to overcome those challenges by being patient and we have to reach the success point. Yes, the ability to wait or to continue doing something despite challenges. எவ்வளோ கஷ்டம் வந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to be patient and we have to achieve everything in our life. So patience also plays a very important role in our lives. So what are the qualities of patience? So what are the qualities of patience? The key to patience is acceptance. Acceptance. Yes, we have to be quiet. Not always quiet also, okay? The key to patience is acceptance. Acceptance means to forgiving. யாராவது ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா we have to accept and we have to forgive them. பொறுமையா இருக்கிறது. Yes, and the patience creates confidence. See, if you have patience, it creates confidence in us. So being confident in all the work we do is very important, right? If you are confident only, we can finish our work easily. Yes, so patience creates confidence. And patience leads to wisdom and success. See, if you are patient, it always leads to success. So, getting angry immediately, not being calm, all these things will lead to success. எந்த வேலையுமே அவசரமா பண்ணக்கூடாது. Not to be in a very hurry manner. Yes, we have to know the importance of the work we do, and the patience will lead us to success. So these are the qualities of patience. So let us start developing all these qualities in us and be a very good person in our life. See, studying good is only enough for us. நல்லா படிச்சா மட்டும் போதுமா? Yes, we should be a very good person also, right, in our life. So all these things we should follow. I will learn to sit still. I will learn to wait for my turn. I will not talk while others are talking. What does it mean? We have to be a good listener. When others are talking, we should not interrupt them. We should listen to them. And I will keep my cool. What does it mean? We have to be, we have to stay calm. Yes, children. So all these things are related to each other, isn't it? So let us learn and develop ourselves to be a very good person. All my dear children will do this, isn't it? Who's that? Who's that? Somebody has unmuted. Subramani 8875. Is it Kamachi?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No issues. Kindly mute.
Okay.
Yes, Nandana. I know all my children will follow all these characters and they will be a very good person in your. No, they will reach the success. Yes, so here we have an activity. And I believe you all would have completed the activity which is on the topic honesty. Did you all complete that? Did you all complete the activity on the honest? Yes, very good, Sadhana. Okay, I will take Sadhana's answer for your whole class. Yes? Okay, here we have another activity for patience. Wheel of patience. So how are we going to do this? So if you have any waste CD at your home, kindly take that, okay? The unused CD or the waste CD, take that. And cut and paste round paper on that CD and write all these things on that and hang it over, where the place you will see regularly. So take turns, stay calm, listen, perseverance. Perseverance means to overcome the difficulty. To overcome the difficulty. Not to give up. Okay, perseverance. Self-control. Self-control is also perseverance. Then self-control. Self-control is also very, very important. And then cool. Cool means staying calm. To stay calm. So write this on the CD. And you can place that CD in a place where everybody can see it every day, so that you will not forget that. You will have that in your mind always. So being patient. Yes, children, will you complete this activity? Okay. See, for example, here we have an example. Take turns, walk away, use an I message, ask them to stop, apologize, and count to 10. Count to 10. Like this, you're going to do this activity on the CD. Upload in Google Classroom. Again, somebody has unmuted now. Who's that? Jivika, Jivana. Kindly mute now. Thank you. Okay. So let's have a recap on these adjectives. What are adjectives? The words used to describe or tell us more about a noun. Tell us more about a noun are called describing words or adjectives. To describe a noun is called adjectives. So to describe about person, place, animals and things. Words that describe nouns. What are nouns? Animal, person, place, animals, things. The words that are describing person, place, animals and things are called adjectives. So here we have an example. Tall man. Tall man. Yes, ma'am. By the end of the session, I will explain you the activity again. Tall man. So here the word tall is explaining how the man is looking. Yes, tall man. The next example, hot tea. Hot tea. How is the tea? The tea is very hot. So the word is hot. The word hot is describing about the tea. So hot is an adjective here. Red car. Red car. So the color red is describing the color of the car. So all the colors are adjectives. Wet shirt. Wet shirt. So how is the shirt? The shirt is dry, beautiful, good. How is the shirt looking? The shirt is wet. So wet is an adjective. It is describing describing how the shirt is. Yes. Big box. Big box. So how is the box looking? What is the size of the box? It is big. Big is an adjective. Pretty girl. So how is the girl looking? Is she beautiful? Is she smart? How is the girl looking? Pretty. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. So pretty is an adjective. Two pencils. Two pencils. The word two is telling us how many pencils we have. It is describing us what is the quantity of the pencils. Yes, two pencils. So 2 is an adjective. So telling us a quantity of a noun is also an adjective. Green leaf. Green leaf. As we saw, all the colors, names of the colors are adjectives. So here green is an adjective. Yes. So we can describe a noun by using our 5 senses. That is by seeing, by tasting, by touching, by hearing, smelling. By smelling. So we can describe a noun using our 5 senses. And we can describe a noun by its shape, size and number. Round ball, the round ball rolled across the floor. The round ball rolled across the floor. Here, round is telling us the shape of the ball. The huge ball rolled across the floor. Huge ball. Here, the word huge is describing the size of the ball. So huge is an adjective. 3 balls rolled across the floor. How many balls? 3 balls. So here the word is describing, the number is describing the how many balls we have. 3 balls rolled across the floor. 3 is an adjective. So all the number names are adjectives. Yes? I hope you all are thorough with these adjectives. Any doubts on adjectives, children? Any doubts you have in adjectives? So be very clear. Okay, Sadhana, thank you. So be very clear. You should be, able to differentiate noun, adjective, verbs, all these things. If there is a sentence, you should be able to identify what are those words. Okay. So when you are reading, recollect all these things. Okay. When you are reading, recollect all these things. Okay. So let's move to workbook exercises from lesson number 8. I will stay awake. So this is about the lesson is about a little pup and how it is struggling to stay awake all night. Yes. So let's move to our workbook exercise. Read the following sentences and tick the correct answer. It is at page number 41. Page number 41 from our workbook. Read the following sentences and tick the correct answer. The little puppy would not lie down because. So here we have 3 answers. He didn't like sleeping on the floor. He didn't want to sleep. He liked to sleep on a bed. So which one is correct? A little puppy would not lie down because. Which one is correct? 2. Very good. Because he didn't want to sleep. That is why the little pup did not lie down. The second one, watching the other animals sleep. So watching the other animals sleep made the little puppy feel. The options are even more sleepy, like running away, happy. So how did the little pup felt after seeing all other animals sleeping? How did the puppy feel? Yes, even more sleepy. Even more sleepy. Yes. So let's move to our next exercise. Underline the verbs in the following paragraph. Underline the verbs in the following paragraph. It is in page number 43. So here we have a paragraph given. I will read very slowly. listen to it very carefully, and you are going to give me the answers only in the chat box. You are going to tell me the verbs in this from this paragraph.
Ma'am, voice is very low, ma'am.
Am I audible now? Am I clear now? Am I clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, let us continue. So I'm going to read the passage. You're all going to listen to it very carefully and give me the answers only in the chat box. Okay, my dears? What are you going to pick from this paragraph? What words you are going to pick from this paragraph? Verbs.
Verbs.
Okay, you're going to pick only the verbs.
Verbs. Action.
Yes, action verbs.
Yes, action words.
On Sundays, I go to a beach with my family. On Sundays, I go to a beach with my family. Yes, go is an action. So let us underline that. My sister and I play on the beach. My sister and I play on the beach. Very good. Play is a verb here. We leave our house in the evening. We leave our house in the evening. So which word is verb here? Leave. Leaving from a place. Yes, leaving from a house or leaving from a place. We leave our house in the evening. The next sentence. My mother packs some snacks for us. My mother packs some snacks for us. Packs. Very good. We get into the car. We get into the car. So it is a verb here. We get into the car. So which is action done here in the sentence? We get into the car. Get. Very good. We get into the car and my father drives us there. And my father drives us there. Drives. Very good. The next sentence. See children, as I read, you give me the answers. I don't want the answers to be very ahead. As I read the sentence, kindly give me the answers. My sister and I play in the water. My sister and I play in the water. Play. Very good. We build 9 sandcastles. We build 9 sandcastles. So which is the verb here? Build. Very good. We walk around the beach. We walk around the beach and collect seashells. Walk. And then we walk around the beach and collect seashells. Collect. Collecting is also an action, right? The next one, my father buys us ice cream every time. My father buys us ice cream every time. Buys. On a windy day, the next sentence, on a windy day, we fly our kites on the beach. We fly our kites on the beach. Fly. Very good. The last sentence from this paragraph, I enjoy spending the day with my family. I enjoy spending the day with my family. Enjoyed. Very good, ma. And then, enjoying is an action. Spending. The word spending is an action. Is that a verb? Very good. Spending is also an action only. Yes, spending the day with my family. So, like this, when you are reading any storybook, you all are reading, right? Every day. You all are reading stories, right? So, when you are reading, take a paragraph and like this, you can do the activities on your own. In one paragraph, you can underline the nouns, and in another paragraph, you can underline the verbs. Take one more paragraph and underline the adjectives from that paragraph. So you will have a better understanding if you do the activities like this. Okay, children? Who's that? Who's that, ma? Somebody is disturbing the class. Gopi Kishan from 1F.
Gopi Kishan. Oh, it's okay, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, children, now we have done with this activity. Yes, Jaya ma'am?
Yes, children. So now let's go to the next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs from the help box. Okay, so we are having some fill in the blanks. So we are going to fill the blanks with the correct verbs. So now let me read out the words which are given in the help box. The first one, chirps, stand, attack, drives, climb, brace, sprinkle, paint, works, shout, sleep, drink, gallop. Okay, see, these are all action words. Okay, by using these action words, I am going to read you a sentence and you will tell me what, ma? What? Hmm? Queen is blank. Ma, you have to check your network, ma. Here we. Is it for all? Yes. Is it for all? What, ma? Green is not and it is now visible. Now visible? Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes. So now, we have some, I've read the action words for you all. So using these action words, we are going to fill up in the sentences. Okay, so let me read out the first sentence for you. Daddy dash in a shop. Daddy dash. What will daddy do in a shop? Works, exactly. Daddy works in a shop. Okay, so let's strike out the word there and write the word here. Very good. Yes, next. Reena's mother dash a blue car. Reena's mother dash a blue car. What she will do with the car? Drives, exactly. Reena's mother drives a blue car. Okay? Yes. The next. Please dash this box. Please dash this box. Yes, we can paint. Please paint this box. Please paint this box. Okay? Don't, the next sentence we have here, don't dash close to the fire. Don't dash close to the fire. Don't stand stand. Okay, don't stand close to the fire. Okay, don't stand close to the fire. Fine, children? Yes. Next one. Don't dash at the cats. What we should not do with the animals? We should not shout. Exactly. We should not shout at the animals. Don't shout at the cats. Okay. The second F sentence, the next one. I dash a lot of water. With water, what we will do? We will gallop. We will drink. Yes, we drink. We drink a lot of water. Okay, we drink a lot of water. Very good. Yes, next sentence. She asked me not to dash in the class. She asked me not to dash in the class. Superb. Sleep. SLEEP. Sleep in the class. Okay, next. The bird, okay, listen carefully. The bird dash at night. The bird dash at night. The bird will, what the bird will do in the night? They will sing and they will sleep. What is that sound called as? Chirp. Chirp, chirps. 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 Chirps means they will hum. Humming of the birds are called chirps. Okay, fine. Next one. I can dash a tree very easily. What we can do with the tree? I can dash a tree very easily. Very good. I got the answer. I can climb a tree very easily. You should pick the appropriate verb. Okay, you should pick the correct verb from. Okay, yes. Do dash some water on the roses. Roses are tiny plants. So what we have to do? Do dash some water on the roses. Sprinkle. Do sprinkle some water on the roses. Yes. Next one. The donkey dash very loudly. The donkey dash very loudly. What is the sound of the donkey? Yes. Brace. BRAYS. Brace very loudly. That's the sound of the donkey. Next one. Horses love to dash in the field. Exactly. Here only we'll get the word gallop. Gallop means running with a high speed. Gallop. 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 Horses love to gallop in the field. Okay. Next. Lions dash their prey. What they will do with their prey? Prey means food for lions. So what they will do? They will attack their prey. Yes, first they will attack, then only they will sit and eat their food, right? So lions will attack their prey. Okay? Yes. So see how many action words we have got it? We have got. Okay. So when you're filling in the blanks with the verbs, you have to check whether that verb will be a correct one for that or not. Okay, children? Yes. Now let's go to the next. Yes, we have an assignment here. Yes. So here we have work in the workbook. It's from the exercise is from workbook page number 41. It's a conversation between Jerry and her father. Jerry and his father. Jerry asked him to sleep as it was late. Okay. Jerry's father asked him to sleep as it was late. So here are some words that Jerry heard his father say when he told him to go to bed. Look for the words in the box given and circle them. Okay. So here some words are given. So before you go to bed, what all words you listen to your parents? What they will say? They'll say go to bedroom, isn't it? Go to bedroom. Yeah. Very good. So Jeshri, I got the answer. Dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. Bedroom. Then what else what you can on the so okay, in the bedroom what we will do? Yeah, when we are feeling sleepy, we will yawn. Very good. Y-A-W-N, yawn. Okay. So then on the bed, what we will do? We will give rest to our body, right? Rest. R-E-S-T. Okay. So these are the words where Jerry's father has told and he has heard it. Okay. Yes. So now next. Very good. Next. Yes. This here we have another exercise. It's in the page number 42 in your workbook exercises. Okay. See here the first picture. Color the correct picture. A bird sleeps by. How does a bird sleeps, children? We have heard from the lesson, right? We learned from the lesson. How do the bird sleep? The bird will sleep with his heads under the wing. Under the wing. So which picture is the correct one? Yes, this is the correct one and we have to color it. Okay, the birds will sleep, keep his heads under its wing. Okay, yes. We have another exercise, same from the page number 42. Here, this exercise is going to be what all things you need when you go to sleep. Okay, what all things you need when you go to sleep. So what you're going to do, when I read out the words, you will tell me it is needed or you don't need it. Okay, so first one, full tummy. Before going to sleep, we have to fill on. Yes, we need it. We have to fill our stomach. The second one, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Do we need a mosquitoes or don't need mosquitoes? Don't need. Yes, don't need. Need. Very good. Thirsty throat. Thirsty throat. Thirsty throat. Do we need a thirsty throat? No, don't need, right? Somebody is touching the screen. Okay. Then we have comfortable clothes. Comfortable clothes. Then we have a chair. We have a bed and bus. So 2 are done for you. Others you have to think and you have to fill this page and do this activity and post it in your Google Classroom. Okay, you have to think and write. Yes, the next exercise we have here. Match the people with their correct work. All the people have their own works, right? So let's see. First one we have here, tailors. What is the job of a tailor's, children? What they will do? They will stitch the dresses for us, right? So, sew. Sew, S-E-W. What is the job for painters? What do painters do? They will paint. Okay, next word we have carpenters. What do carpenters do? They will build. Doctors, we have doctors. What do doctors do? Cure. They will cure the diseases. Yes. What is the job for teachers? What they will do? They will teach. And finally we have pilots. So what they will do? They will fly a plane, isn't it? Yes. So you have patience activity and all these workbook exercises. So patience activity and you have all these workbook exercises. So complete everything and post it in the Google Classroom. And Janavika, you asked to explain, right? Patience activity. nothing you have to, if you have a CD with your waste CD player, CD with you, just cut a paper and stick around it, and then you're going to you write the what are the qualities for patience, and if you want you can hang it over wherever you have place at home. Okay, so just write the qualities of the patience. Okay, yes, understood? Fine, superb. So finish up all these activities, all your workbook exercises. Okay, happy weekend. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, children. Happy weekend, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye. Happy weekend. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, Aunty. Good evening.
Thank you. Bye, Jai Gurudev. Thank you, Jai Gurudev. Thank you, ma. Thank you.